Hi everyone, my name is Itiri. Welcome back to Pray Shop Cruise. I'm really excited today because I am doing an unboxing of a new brand to me. I'd never heard of this brand until I found them on Google. It's called White Elm. So I was recently just Googling around for a carry-on bag and I stumbled across White Elm. I'm really excited about this bag because it's a tote that converts to a book bag. This one's made different from a lot of the other ones I've seen. It carries about a 17-inch laptop. It has other compartments in it. We'll go through the entire specs of all the bag. And I purchased the set, so the bag along with the actual convertible backpack along with a bunch of other bags and wallets. We'll go over the pricing. It was a little bit on the expensive side, but I wanted to buy something that I knew I would use on all my cruise trips pretty much. So I usually check my big suitcase when I go to the port for all my cruises, and then I keep a carry-on bag. Our last cruise in February, I had a huge backpack on, and I wanted to figure out how to size that down a little bit and also get a backpack that could carry a laptop really well and possibly an iPad. Because as I do more cruising, I'll probably be doing more working while I cruise. So it's going to be important to have that space for the technology. White Elm, their slogan on this thank you card here says, versatile bags for the modern woman. This is actually the bag that I purchased. This is the large sized Gemini convertible backpack. They also have a medium to small sized one, I believe. They do have a mission statement. It says here, we have a passion for women that do it all. That's why we created White Elm, to help women like you stay organized and carry it all in style. We've set out to create long-lasting vegan bags for travel, work, and motherhood that you are sure to love. We're so happy to welcome you to the White Elm family. So that motherhood piece is a good piece for anyone who's a mom, because it does have those two side pockets that you could put bottles or juice or whatever in. I'm going to be using it for water bottles and canisters because ain't no mommying going on over here. No time soon. So let's just get right into it. This is the box. I literally just got the box today. Today's a Monday. I believe I ordered it on a Thursday. Shipping was really quick. They ship out of Texas. They ship by USPS, priority mail. I did have to sign for this. So any order for them over $250, you will have to sign for. So just be conscious of that. Make sure you're home. And yeah, other than that, we'll get into pricing next. So just to quickly go over pricing, I purchased the Gemini convertible backpack set in coffee brown. The set itself was $317.70. The shipping protection was $5.25, and the tax was $23.41. So in total for this set, I paid $346.36 for this set. So this is on the pricier side. And it's vegan, leather, I believe she says. And so keep all that in mind. The box does come with a pretty tape on it. I did take pictures of the original packing. I did open and pre-inspect. So when you first get the box, you open it up. It's going to be this sticker here. This is a pretty large box. And then everything is neatly packaged in these beautiful tote bags here. So you can see these tote bags that say White Elm. The black and gold print is really pretty. The tape has the I guess elm leaves on it too, so that's really nice. So I'll start unpacking these one by one. So I'm first going to take this big bag out of the box and see what we got here. Let's start with the baby one. As you can see, they all come in these little bags with the White Elm tag and their social media information. See, then we have the paper here, and so this is the wallet. This is the coffee brown color that I ordered. So the entire set is a coffee brown. Very pretty. Very pretty. I love that this is one of those smaller fold ones. Put your ID there. Very nice. So that's the wallet. Guess I'll keep these in the scrunchies for now. Let's open the next one. So you've got this size here. And the paper, let's see. So this one is and she has names for these. I don't know what the names are, but she has them listed on the site, what each of these are named, and you can buy them separately. So this is like your whatever else case you can use in here. Has a zipper on the inside. No pockets. This lining is very silky, very luxe. You can see there. So this is kind of, I guess, where you could throw makeup and other things in here. The leather feels really good. It's not super soft and it's not super hard. It's in between. I don't know if you can see maybe the texture there. Feels really good. So that's that one. Very satisfied so far with this beautiful chocolate color. Throw these down. Okay, this is the clutch. Pretty excited about the clutch. It's like Christmas. This is the clutch. No zipper in the back. So this has the wristlet here. Has the wristlet here that you can put on the end. So you can wear it as a very nice size wristlet. But it also has the strap. So this extra paper in here. Let's look at this strap here. My handy dandy scissors. Love it. Clean up as we go. So we've also got this adjustable strap. So you can wear this as a true crossbody. And you know when we cruise, we crossbody it. I love this. Look at this. Oh, I just love this. Of course, the gold zipper, the gold detailing. There's a zipper on the inside. And there's a slit pocket there. I love that. And then the open inside here. So what I love about this set is you have the big bag and then you have all of these little bags that could fit in it. This clutch is a winner. It's going to match most of my items. I love that you can wear it as a wristlet and a clutch. So let's set that aside. And now time for the grand finale. All right, y'all. This is the big kahuna. I love a new bag. This is a little heavy, too. Look at that, y'all. This is gorgeous. This leather, it has the feet, has 5 feet there. So it will stand. Look at these handles. That's how big. So the dimensions of the bag really quickly. Length, 20 inches. Height, 13 inches. Depth, 6.5 inches. The top opening is 18 inches. The laptop sleeve is 18 inches. The bottom panel is 13.5 inches and the top handle strap is 11 inches. You can fit water bottles up to 4.75 inches in diameter here. You've got that end and that end, and you've got this back end with a snap closure. And also you can fit devices up to 17 inches measured diagonally for your laptops. And they do sell extra large and extra large straps if this strap isn't long enough for you. And this is the actual strap that it comes with. So we're going to inside. Very, very nice. You can see here's your laptop sleeve. Here's your other big pockets here with the brown outline. But then on this side, you have more big pockets here with the scrunchies. And you have this beautiful key ring. It has a tassel where you can put your key so that your key isn't flopping all over your bag. Here's the snap for the laptop. So you would put your laptop in here and then you'd snap it like that. So here's the shoulder that we're doing it. Let's see here. Let me put this strap on. So this is the tote as well. You can do the tote like this. Let me figure out how to make this into a convertible backpack. Okay, y'all. I'm not even sure if I did this right because this kind of confused me. Anytime I have to put something together, whether it be large or small, I always have an issue. But I got it in a place where I can put it on my back. So I'm sure I'm supposed to adjust it some sort of way. Online, they have it like this part is twisted some kind of way. So I got to figure that out. Other than that, this is a great bag. I wanted to point out that there's a snap closure here and there's a zipper bottom here. So you can put this on your luggage, on your top handle. And then when you're done with your top handle, this then becomes another pocket that you can use. So if I just had this on my back. So my zipper got off track. But it fixed itself. So this could be used as an actual pocket when you're carrying it on your back or wearing it as a clutch. Oh, I'm tired. I done broke out in a sweat. Overall initial thoughts. I do love this bag. It does have this front pocket here with the zipper. This is heavy duty. This bag itself is heavy with nothing in it. This is very heavy duty material. Seems very wearable, very durable. I wish she would have put some instructions on how to make this a book bag because that's what I'm primarily going to use it for. So I got to figure out how to twist this and make it right. But overall first impressions, I love it. Love the clutch. You can literally put everything that you have in here. I'm going to go ahead and do. And you can actually keep these for jewelry. I usually put my necklaces in those. Put this in here. And this one in here. Yeah, very supple material on the inside. Overall first impressions, I like it. I'll take it on my next cruise and I'll be able to really give a substantial review. Thanks for staying with me this long. I appreciate you guys.